Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, where I share with you the amazing benefits of natural remedies. Today, I'm going to talk about the health benefits of ginger tea, a delicious and warming drink that can improve your well-being in many ways. Ginger tea is made from the root or stem of the ginger plant, which has been used for centuries as a spice and a medicine. Ginger tea is rich in gingerol, which is the main bioactive compound in ginger. Gingerol has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which can protect your cells from damage and prevent diseases. One of the main benefits of ginger tea is that it can help relieve nausea and vomiting caused by motion sickness, pregnancy, chemotherapy, or surgery. Ginger tea can work by blocking a brain receptor that triggers nausea. It can also stimulate saliva and bile production, which can aid digestion and reduce stomach discomfort. Another benefit of ginger tea is that it can help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Ginger tea can affect the enzymes that break down carbohydrates and fats, which can prevent spikes and crashes in blood sugar. It can also modulate the hormones that regulate appetite and metabolism, which can help with weight management. Ginger tea can also help with some common health issues, such as menstrual cramps, arthritis, colds, and infections. Ginger tea can ease the pain and inflammation caused by menstrual cramps, thanks to its antispasmodic and analgesic properties. Ginger tea can also reduce joint stiffness and swelling in people with osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis. Ginger tea can also boost your immune system and fight off bacteria, viruses, and fungi that can cause infections in your respiratory tract, skin, or mouth. As you can see, ginger tea is a wonderful drink that can benefit your health in many ways. It's easy to make at home with just some fresh or dried ginger and hot water. You can also add some honey, lemon, or mint for extra flavor and benefits. However, be careful not to drink too much ginger tea, as it may have some side effects if consumed in excess. Some of these side effects include heartburn, diarrhea, allergic reactions, and interactions with some medications. So, how much ginger tea should you drink? There is no clear answer to this question, as different studies have used different amounts and types of ginger. However, a general recommendation is to limit your intake to no more than 4 grams of ginger per day. This is equivalent to about 2 cups 473 milliliters of ginger tea made with 1 teaspoon, 2 grams, of fresh or dried ginger per cup.